Take a good look at God's wonders. They'll take your breath away. Rainfall. It refers to the amount of precipitation, in the form of rainwater, that falls to the surface of the earth as droplets of water, which occur as a result of condensation of water vapor, falling from the cloud due to gravity. The period of the year that usher in the spring season. The spring season succeeds the winter season as well as precedes the summer season. The spring. It's the season during which Earth is revived and reinvigorated. Dormant plant begins to grow again. New seedlings sprout out of the ground, also hibernating animals awake.
The spring is a delightful season. It brings about rebirth. Warm temperature, daylight savings. Returning sound of nature, abundance of fresh fruits and farm produce. Flowers blossom and refreshing. Importance of rainfall. 1. It provides fresh and pure water. 2. Produces fresh and healthier air. 3. Humidity after rainfall is good for the skin. 4. Relaxes the body and reduces stress. 5. Enables plants to grow. 6. Ensures bountiful harvest. 7. Ensures constant water supply. 8. Keeps hydroelectric plants operational. 9. Regulates atmospheric temperature. 10. Put an end to drought. Dangers associated with rainfall. Excessive rainfall leads to 1. Flooding. 2. Loss of lives and properties. 3. Erosion. 4. Damage to plants and farmland. The rain and snow come down from the heavens, and stay on the ground to water the earth. They cause the grain to grow, producing seed for the farmer, and bread for the hungry. Isaiah 55 verse 10. All together now. Applause for God. Sing songs to the tune of His glory. Set glory to the rhythms of His praise.